Good evening, fellow personal trainers. Tonight I just want to talk to you about a couple integrated training principles. And when designing and implementing a sports performance program for peak performance, we really should be utilizing the training principle for optimum muscle balance and optimum posture. Our job as sports performance professionals is to improve an athlete's level of functioning, which means that we should be helping them to develop all components of function, including acceleration, deceleration, and stabilization. The coordination of these components can also be referred to as functional strength and neuromuscular efficiency, which allow the neuromuscular system to produce force, reduce force, and dynamically stabilize the body during functional movements. There are several reasons why it's important to train for optimum muscle balance and with optimum postural control. The first reason is that muscles function the best from a predetermined length. This is also known as an optimum length-tension relationship. The second reason it's important to train for optimum muscle balance is because programs that focus on isolated muscle groups and progress too quickly could result in even the slightest changes in posture, pattern overload, injury, and decreased neuromuscular efficiency. This ultimately leads to altered resting lengths of a muscle and muscle imbalances, which is what we're trying to avoid. Last, training for optimum posture is important when designing a performance program because posture is dynamic controlling quality during all functional movements. Optimum alignment of all segments of the musculoskeletal system is a cornerstone to any functional sports performance program. Take dominoes, for example. When one falls, all the dominoes fall. The human movement system is exactly like dominoes in that muscles lack functional individuality, and instead they function interdependently. There's quite a bit of research available that suggests impaired postural stability is a risk factor for lower limb extremity injury. A study investigating the relationship among foot posture, core, and lower extremity muscle function found that increasing arch posture in the foot and increasing ankle inversion strength were associated with decreasing mediolateral postural stability during a one-legged stance. Some people will say that any training program focusing on strengthening the lower extremity muscles and core will correct most muscle imbalances and help to improve posture. You got to be doing something, right? But that's really not so. Flexibility, core stability, and balance training should come before any strength and power training protocol. A study determining the effect of proprioceptive training on foot posture, lower limb alignment, and knee adduction found that a 12-week ankle proprioceptive training program done 30 minutes 2 times per week significantly improved the ankle's ability to correct the joint's position. This change in the position of the ankle may increase stability by shifting the center of mass to the lateral side, improving balance. So as you've heard me say, a program that focuses on training muscle balance and optimum posture is important for obtaining functional strength and neuromuscular efficiency in our athletes that we train. An athlete that lacks muscle balance and proper posture should never progress to higher levels of intensity until they've corrected these muscle imbalances through postural control, balance and stability, flexibility training in a proprioceptively rich environment. It's a tough word to say. By utilizing the principle of training for muscle balance and optimum posture, an athlete will create healthy length-tension relationships and optimum muscle recruitment, as well as gain quality control during functional movements. I really hope this helps you guys today during your training. Thank you.